going across the nation.
Nation, nation, nation.
Say the world today is in a desperate situation.
Desperate situation.
Stealing, burning, fighting, killing, nothing but corruption. It looks like mankind is on the eve of destruction. Oh yes it is. People, let me tell you that we got to learn to live with each other. No matter what race, creed, or color. I just want to tell you what the world needs now.
What the world needs now is love and
Understanding, so get on board the friendship train. Everybody shake a hand, shake a hand. People are talking about the friendship train. Get on board and shake a hand, make a friend. People listen to us now. We're doing our thing on the friendship train.
start today to make tomorrow better. Never have to
We can do it, I can prove it only if our hearts are willing now. So get on board the friendship train. Everybody shake a hand, shake a hand. We're talking about the friendship train. Get on board and shake a hand, make a friend. It don't matter what you look like people or who you are. If your heart is in the right place, talking about the right place, you're welcome aboard now. This change stands for justice. This change stands for freedom. This change stands for harmony and peace. And this change stands for love. Love, love. Come on, get on the friendship train. Everybody,
shake a hand, shake a hand.
we're talking about the friendship train. Get on board and shake a hand, make a friend. People listen to us now. Harmony is the key, my sisters and brothers. Oh yes it is. I said harmony is the key, my sisters and brothers. People, we can't wait, 'cause another day might be too late. Come on, get on the friendship train. Hey, everybody. We're talking about the friendship train. Get on board and shake a hand, make a friend. I'm talking about the friendship train. Everybody shake a hand, shake a hand. Don't you know I'm talking about the friendship train? Get on board and shake a hand, make a friend. I know lots of people have tried in many ways to get mankind together. So we decided we'd offer our little suggestion, and that is the friendship train. And the way we feel about it, you've got to get started somewhere, somehow. Right on, well, right on the friendship train. Why don't you ride on the friendship train? Send your mind as well. Ride on the friendship train. Why don't you ride on the friendship train? If you will, let's everybody get on the friendship train by putting your hands together right here. Come on, everybody. Yeah, that's how you do it. Well. Got a ticket to ride. Well. You got a ticket to ride. Well. You got a ticket to ride. Well. You got a ticket to ride. People are talking about the friendship train. Everybody, that's how you do it. We're talking about the friendship train. Get on board and shake a hand, make a friend. I'm talking about the friendship train. Everybody shake a hand, shake a hand. Don't you know I'm talking about the friendship train? Get on board and shake a hand, make a friend. Everybody, let's ride the friendship train.